Hey guys, welcome back to Codelogic. If you ever want to learn Python, build your own application to or start a career in tech, you are in to extract right place. Today we are officially king of the 50 day of Python masters class right now here this channels. This course we are learn introduction to Python, what is the Python and why it learn, environment setup, if you are fast programming and we will run hello world, variable and data types, for example float, integer, string, booleans, typecasting, how to convert it, typecasting integer type to string, string to boolean and string to float, else suppose integer to float, it's how to do. And operator authentic is a complex logical operator, compression, comprehension, etc. User input and output, conditions, loop, string, lift, list, tuple, set, function, advancement, knowledge, variable scope, for example global variable, local variable, lambdas, built-in function, built-in module and package, file handling, error and exception handling, variable and object oriented programming language or ops, its introduction of ops, how it's work, methods and other, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and others mathematical concepts we are learned in this programming. This course in we are start our project number guessing game, BMI calculators, cricket quiz game, random password generator tools, simple expense tax bar, pay rock paper scissors games, etc. Project we will to do.